Hello traders, it's Utopian Man here and we're back again with another analysis. Sorry, I've been posting since the video. I've been busy on some other works, but back again. But I haven't stopped trading, and I wanna show you. Like you're gonna just bear with me here. Maybe this will motivate you to watch the video. How powerful and easy this strategy or just normal price action can be in volatility 71, and why volatility 75 1s is my favorite index. So I'm gonna pull up my trade history here, and as you can see this is a real account, so this is like actual trading history. So when you see the blue here, this means a buy, and then red means you sold here. So it was a buying order, just blue buying order, and then here it was a sell order. So I'm just gonna do analysis of like my last trading, and probably get you into how we're gonna use this to trade. So let's start. I'm gonna put my key levels as usual, because the trend, well, is a downtrend, so I'm looking for sales. But before that I gotta do like behavior analysis. But my first step is placing the key levels after knowing there it's a downtrend and everything, so mostly gonna be looking for sales. So I'm gonna be placing all my key levels here. Go to 1 hour to adjust them, and if you don't know how to place this, probably watch a lot of my videos, and I'm gonna do another video specifically on how to place these key levels. But if you're a trader, if you're a good trader, probably even if a beginner, you gotta know how to place support and resistance level. That's like the number one thing you gotta know. So this is it for here. Like okay, anyone else I see this? No. But most important, as you know guys, I should just tell you to put like above and below the price, where the price is somewhere. If you see in between here, I'm gonna use this to see there's a level here, this one. So okay, so here are my key levels. So let's start doing behavior analysis, and you start like from peak of what happened. So I'm gonna use like this trade, how I did analysis here. So imagine if the market was here yesterday, where I found it here. So I found, actually it was found it a bit here. So imagine if the market was here, this did not exist before, right? Before the red line was not there. So I did my analysis here. It was a downtrend, of course, but it went and broke this level, went all the way down here, then came back to this level to retest it, then went back down, didn't break this low. So that means we're starting to either going in a ranging market, which it did go there. It did go there. So as you can see here, it went into this ranging market because it didn't form another low, didn't go and form another higher than this one. So it kind of went in this area here, and then it broke this area. And of course, as I told you, I'm also a breakout trader, so I take every opportunity, and I took a sell here, and this sell went all the way here. Probably it was like probably a 200 profit, depending on how the lot size I was using. Because okay, let me show you here something. Pay attention traders. See here, I took a loss of 0.6% of here is what I risked. And then, but I was supposed to get what, as you can see here, almost 1.2%, twice as much as that. So it went to 200. The only thing, and that's the thing I want to tell you today, look at your trades. Okay, I usually don't look at my trades because I expected it to get at this point here. I expected it to get at this point here, and that would have been $300, and I reached hundreds, and $100. So I have a risk reward ratio of 1.2 or 1 to 3 ratio. So if I risk $100, I want to get $200 or 300. That's usually my risk reward ratio. So kind of went all the way here and I closed the trade because as soon as I see 200 I would have closed. So I usually close my MT5 log, like everything, just ignore it. So it's like to the target or a loss, and it went all the way here and then well came back and then it was a loss, so that was not good. The same happened with this trade here, as you can see. So kind of went to my level, then went back up again. Actually didn't go all the way, it was like a 1-to-1 ratio. So took a loss here of $100, took a loss here for $100 or so, even though I ignored it. And then here again, this okay, and then I didn't like again I risked for $50 I was risking here to get like $150, and kinda it went to 150 $170, but I didn't close because I expected it to get here and like $300, but well it didn't go back up close. So these trades I could have not lose these trades because if I just watched the market, if I was not too greedy, these trades here could have made me $200 profit, and this one 150 profit, just 350 profits here from just risking $150. So could have made me a lot of money, but I was greedy, which is not good also, traders. So don't be like me on these trades. As soon as you get a 1.2 ratio, risk reward ratio, if you're risking $20, then if you get 40, that's still a good trade. If you're risking $5 and you get $10 or $15, it's still a good trade. If you risk $1 and get $2, $3, it's still a good trade. So this is what took me out, and then came back down, and this gave me now, okay, let's continue with analysis. We're in a ranging market here. The market is supposed to stay in this ranging market. It broke out but didn't go all the way in, went back for a retest. There was now come like a retest. It was like a fake breakout here. As soon as I see a fake breakout, this thing in me clicks, because like if there's a fake breakout here, that means like okay, the buyers, this was like trying, the buyers and sellers, the ranging market, that means like it's an indecision market. We don't know if the buyers are coming in or going, like, or who is strong between the buyers and the sellers, so we don't know yet. But here the sellers were strong enough, so this is just the buyers letting the sellers get to their order, which is like a demand zone here, a demand zone. This is a demand zone here. So if you didn't know, now you know. It's a demand zone here. So here is where a lot of buyers come in. So buyers just let the sellers come in and probably enter the orders here, where there's a lot of buy orders. As you can see here, there are a lot of buyers here. So the buyers are just letting the market get down here so that they can buy more. So that's why we have a fake breakout. I don't know if you understood that. So if you have this kind of fake breakout and you see the market getting like in the ranging market and then going out, breaking out, I was late because after this analysis, remember the market was here, so I was like, I could have entered here. That gives you just a signal like buyers are coming in. Like that only gives you enough confluences to know that the buyers are in the market. If there was a fake breakout out of the range and then the market came and went the other way, so that means the buyers were in. As you can see here, we had a lot of bullish momentum here. Kind of would have bought here, but like I was not here. Here sold because the market thought it's gonna go all the way down, but it didn't. So still, I found the market here, and after this candle started, I took this. I took the sell at 5 minutes. I used 5 minutes for my entries. As you see, as soon as this candle closed, this I took my entry because I waited for this kind of retest here, and then took my entry there. And I was risking only this amount. Remember, I was risking only this amount here. It was like, I think it was $26. I was only risking that. $26. That's how early I got into this trade. I was only risking $26. If I got here, my stop loss will be somewhere here down. So I got here and I was risking only this, and voila, the market went all the way up. So guess how much I made here? Let's see. As you can see there, profit 471. That's like 1 to 10 ratio of profit. profit here there. It was a good trade. I held this for almost like an entire day, and it was a good trade. It was really a good trade. So suggesting holding sometimes, but also sometimes if you get like a one or two, it's good. So both depends on how, like, if I risk more, I should do like what I do. Just as you, if you risk big amount, if you get one or two, that's good. If you risk a small amount like here, $30, I mean $26, then you can just hold on to the trade, hold on to it, because I knew if this market went here, it's going. This is a retest for. It's probably gonna come here, but didn't get to this level and then it turned back. So that's why I'm doing this analysis now. So let's do now the current analysis. So the market went all the way here. Didn't. I was expecting it to go to this level. It didn't. So it kind of went up and then came all the way back down. Still, this is a level here, so the market did not just make a mistake of turning there. So still it went to this level and then came all the way down, and then it broke this level, came for a retest, broke all the way down to this area here, and now it's coming for a retest. I like 5 minutes for entries because gives me like early signals. You know, this is a very volatile market, so I like 5 minutes. So here, what is the market doing in the 5 minutes chart? As you can see here, the market is kind of coming to a retest here, and we're forming like a pattern. And what is this pattern? So for some, okay, let me just do this so that I won't confuse a load of people. This is a signal here. This is a signal here, traders. This is a signal here. So we are at this level, and what is the market doing here? Forming a pattern which I really like. It's a continuation pattern. It's a ascending triangle. So it's a continuation pattern. It means like a breakout of this level means the market is gonna go up. A fake breakout and then coming back all the way down, this means the market's gonna go down. As you see here, the concept of fake breakouts here, so use that also next time. And then if it breaks down, wait for a retest, then sell. And where is your take profit is gonna be? Probably the market's gonna get here, trust me. If it goes down, the market's gonna be here. If it goes up and then retest this level and then we have a bullish momentum, then the market's gonna go all the way to up here, even probably higher up. I mean like this level here. So probably that's the only thing you need here. So I gave you a signal here. As you can see, the market is like indecisive here. So if we get like a bullish momentum here, I'm gonna buy this and all the way. This is gonna be my first take profit, and because I'm risking very little here, but this is gonna be like my second take profit. So probably aiming to make like $600 here because of my lot size, if I use the same kind of lot size. But if it breaks down, also the same is good. So pay attention to the 5 minutes chart here, and that's it for today, traders. Like that's all you need here, so that's how easy it is to trade the V75 1S. I love it, and I've made so much money in this last week. This was a $400 trade. This was okay, this was a loss. Okay, this was $200 profit, $146 profit, $148 profit, 23, no, not so much. And then here another one was $300 profit. This is this week, guys. Okay, people be like, it's really far. No. Here it was, when was this? This was 18th, like 5 days ago. It was last week. It was last week. I mean, sorry. So last week, not this week. This week just started. So last week, here it was the $300 profit. Here it was like $110 profit. As you can see, look what I'm risking here and what I'm getting. Do you see? This is what I was risking here, probably like $30, and I got like $300. See, so risk reward ratio is important. So I made probably more than 1,000 this week on just the V75 1S. So I hope you watch the video, and yeah, thank you for watching.